Current app does not charge a monthly subscription fee for its basic account access, but it does charge fees tied to specific financial features like cash advances and instant transfers. That matters because you can use the app for budgeting and banking tools without paying monthly, but you can still get charged depending on how you move or access money. By the end of this, you'll know exactly when Current app is free, when it costs money, and how to avoid unnecessary fees. Current app works like a mobile banking platform, not a traditional bank with a monthly maintenance fee. So there is no standard subscription you have to pay just to keep the account open. You can download the app, create an account, and use core features like spending tracking and a debit card without a recurring charge. The cost comes in when you use optional services. First, cash advances and early paycheck style features can come with fees depending on how fast you want the money. The faster transfer option is where users typically see charges instead of waiting for standard delivery. Second, ATM withdrawals can involve fees depending on the ATM network you use. That means using out-of-network ATMs can add extra costs even though the account itself has no monthly fee. Third, premium-style features may exist in the app ecosystem depending on eligibility or partner services. These are not required to use the account, but they can introduce additional costs if you opt in. So the real answer is simple. Current app is not a monthly subscription app, but it is not completely free in every situation either. The cost depends on how you use it, not just whether you have it installed. If you're trying to avoid fees, stick to standard transfers, use in-network ATMs, and don't rush cash-out features unless you actually need instant access. Here's the summary. No monthly fee to use Current. Fees appear only when you use specific money features like faster access or certain withdrawals. And the smartest move is using standard options whenever possible to keep it free. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of banking apps and money tools without the confusion.